The next part of this video is considered your pre-flight. It will demonstrate how to log into Adobe Connect, set up your audio and video, and how to navigate in an Adobe Connect classroom. Then you will log into the self-pre-flight room yourself to check your audio and video. There are two ways to get into your Adobe Connect room. Either your instructor has already emailed the link to you, and you can access just by clicking the link, or you can get access through your Blackboard course. If you are accessing the link through Blackboard, log into your course and in the left side navigation, select the Adobe Connect button. Both ways will take you to the Adobe Connect sign-in page. For your pre-flight, you will be going to a specially designated room for the purpose of checking your equipment. It has a different link than your virtual classroom, and you can enter the room at any time to test your equipment. The room is not monitored, however, so if you have any questions or need assistance, contact UND Tech Support. Sign in with your ndus.identifier, the same you use to log into Blackboard. You will not be able to get into the room unless your instructor is already there. The Adobe Connect room will load. Right away, you should hear music playing. The first order of business anytime you enter an Adobe Connect room is to run the Audio Setup Wizard. Go to Meeting and select Audio Setup Wizard in the menu. Follow the prompts for the wizard. On the third window, make sure that your USB headset is selected as your default microphone. You can select it in the drop-down list. Now let's look at the icons across the top of your screen. They are for speakers, microphone, webcam, and status. White icons mean that they are turned off, and green means they are turned on. Click your microphone icon. It should turn green. If you click it again, it will remain green but have a line through it. That means your mic is on mute. Now click on your webcam icon. In the video pod, you should see a preview of your streaming video. Click Start Sharing so that everyone can see your video. The last icon, Status, will always remain white. If you select the down arrow next to the icon, you will get a menu that lets you select various statuses. These are a non-verbal way to communicate with your class and instructor. For instance, if you raise your hand, there will be an icon next to your name in the attendee list to let everyone know you have a question. Also, you can set your status to step away if you need to excuse yourself for a few minutes. This will also mute your microphone. Let's talk about the help buttons you can find in both top corners now. The one on the right, in the white text, will give you a menu for various help topics from Adobe. The one in the top left will send you to the UND Tech Support Adobe Connect page. On the left side navigation on this page, you can find contact information to get directly in touch with UND Tech Support. We highly recommend starting a chat while you are having Adobe Connect issues so that we can best troubleshoot the issue while it is happening. Once you are ready to leave the Adobe Connect room, you can exit Adobe Connect by clicking Meeting and then Exit Adobe Connect, or you can simply close the window.